Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2021 Hyundai Kona. This Kona is featured in the Essential trim and is a gray paint finish. It includes features such as heated front cloth bucket seats, a backup camera with adaptive guidelines, a infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a touchscreen system with Bluetooth, and much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, you can see that we have our black finish door handle. Below are power mirror, power door locks, as well as power window controls and a rear window lock. In the bottom of the door, we have some storage, as well as a speaker. Just to the left of the steering wheel, we have our central dash, lighting controls, and a traction control button. We can see our driver's seat here, finished in a black and gray cloth. Just on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our light controls, and below all of our tilt steering column. Getting in and looking above our steering wheel, we can see that we have a digital speedometer in the center. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel is all of our hands-free, as well as our volume controls. Moving to the right-hand side, we have all of our cruise settings. Then our windshield washer above with front and rear washer. Moving to the center, we have our infotainment system with radio as well as various other medias, including phone, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and additional apps. Below it, we have our front climate control as well as a front and rear defrost. Then lower again, we have a 12-volt plug, a USB for charging on either side, an auxiliary and USB port in the middle, as well as some storage above and below. Then we can see that we have our drive mode, including and that changes above actually, so we can see our eco mode as well as our sport mode. On the other side, we have a locking central differential, as well as our heated front seat controls on either side of our shifter, and downhill park assist. Then we have our two cup holders, a center console with deep storage. Passenger seat, we can see, is also our black and gray cloth. Then above our rear view mirror, we have a sunglass holder, as well as our lighting controls for the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our tires and rims, we can see that we have an alloy finish with our Hyundai center cap. Moving up, we have a paint match finish on our outside mirrors that are powered, as well as paint match finish on our keyless entry door handle. Moving around to the back of the vehicle, we can see all of our badging in chrome. Opening it up, we can see we have our backup camera just to the left of our handle. Handle is underneath. Inside the back, we have a privacy cover up top, 60/40 folding second row seating, as well as some storage hooks on the side and a storage compartment. Underneath, we have a lift up, and we can see that we have a donut underneath. And as mentioned, we can fold the seats in a 60/40 split to make additional space. Moving into the back of the vehicle, you can see we have a black door handle with our locks. Below, our powered window control, as well as storage and a speaker in the bottom of the door. Inside the vehicle, in the back of our driver and passenger seat, we have lace storage compartments. Seats themselves in the second row match the seats in the front in a black and gray cloth finish. Center seat has two foldable cup holders, and all three seats in the back fold in a 60/40 split, which we can just access from the top corner, and that gives us additional space into the trunk. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2021 Hyundai Kona. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.